Let me introduce you the new Dragonhawk wireless tattoo kit. As you can see here, it just looks like a gift. So let me open it to show you what's inside. And first of all, here is the instruction page. This instruction page includes multi-languages and you can find the most suitable languages for you. And there includes some procedures of using that tattoo kit if you are first-year student or something, you can refer to that instruction page. Okay, so here is the cartridges. And it includes 2 sides, each side is per 5 pieces. You can check on the screen. I have listed the sizes on the screen too. Different color reflect to the different sizes and it make you less confused by the sizes. So here is the machine. And that's the battery part. It's white and it's beautiful. And you can turn it on by long pressing this one and just click to change the voltage. And if you want to turn it off, you just long press too. Also, it's charging port here, and here is the machine. The machine can be used with the battery, just connect it like this. And also just turn it on and change the voltage. And let's move to the another black box. It's ink cup. So the ink cup is very safety compared to the traditional ink cup because we use packages here and we use ethylene oxide disinfection to make this ink cup more safety. And here is another black box and it has the tattoo ink here in it. It's 2 bottles of tattoo ink. And the tattoo ink is very safety too. You can use it directly on the skin, but I won't suggest you to use it on the skin if you are first learner, and also the gloves. And also the tabs. It also have the plastic packages. And here is another black box, include the charging port and the clip cord. The clip cord can allow you to use this tattoo kit when the battery is out of energy. And finally, here is a practice skin. The practice skin is really high quality compared to the traditional practice skin provided